The Family and Consumer Sciences Department is proud to be integral to SPU's mission to engage the culture and change the world by graduating leaders of competence, character, and grace. FCS is an interdisciplinary department that prepares students to address problems faced by individuals, families, and communities globally that involve food, clothing, and shelter through Christ-centered values of love, integrity, and justice. With a 79-year legacy of distinction, we owe our strength, values, and resiliency to two remarkable women. First, home economics founder Helen Swallow Richards broke the status quo in many ways as the first woman to attend and graduate from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, in a time when women were restricted from higher education. Secondly, Dr. Dorothy Kreider was the founder of SPU's Home Economics Department, which later became the FCS department. Both women understood that the family unit is the foundation of a healthy, functioning society. These women led socio-political movements that formally integrated the skills women executed in the household into the educational system to ensure families and society flourished. Building on that legacy, our FCS capstone course educates students from every FCS specialization on public policy, state legislation, and funding decisions that impact individuals, households, and families, thereby teaching them to serve, advocate, and seek justice. Our department was founded by visionaries who prioritized Jesus' teachings to meet the needs of the underserved through food, clothing, and shelter. Living in Seattle with extreme homelessness, we face this harsh reality and are called to respond. Our acronym FCS not only represents our department name, Family and Consumer Sciences, but also our academic offerings focused on food, clothing, and shelter. We house 4 essential programs: apparel design and merchandising, interior design, food and nutritional sciences, and human development and family studies. Our graduates become dietitians, designers, merchandisers, counselors, leaders, and educators in the apparel, interiors, food and nutrition, and human development professions. For many years, students have told us, "We only came to SPU for your major." Strategically, we are the only comprehensive Christian FCS department in the Pacific Northwest, and the only institution in Seattle for 4-year degrees in apparel design and merchandising in nutrition and dietetics. We proudly offer a joint program with the esteemed Fashion Institute of Technology in New York for our students to gain exposure to the New York fashion industry, and are one of the few dietetic internship programs that include an international supervised practice rotation. Our faculty have served as leaders and have won Teacher of the Year and Fulbright Teaching Awards. We are committed contributors to SPU's status as a nationally ranked institution. Our integrative curriculum trains graduates for missionary work. Like missionaries, we are boldly answering God's call in Matthew 25:35-37, "For I was hungry, and you gave me something to eat. I was thirsty, and you gave me something to drink. I was a stranger, and you invited me in. I needed clothes, and you clothed me. I was sick, and you looked after me. I was in prison, and you came to visit me." Through many of our service learning projects, such as study abroad trips to India and the Philippines, to our partnerships with Tent City 3, homeless organizations, teen shelters, food banks, daycares, and hospitals, it is evident that infants to adults experience immeasurable impact in their quality of life when their basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter are met. Working together as a department provides a holistic foundation for SPU to embody its mission and the second commandment, love thy neighbor as thyself. Together as one, we remain true to our history and calling as disciples of Christ, who meaningfully provide students with a unique opportunity to move from serving a fragmented self to ministering the whole person. Our commitment to flourishing is evident with our ever-evolving program offerings, including our newly launched dietetic internship program and soon-to-be offered Master's Nutrition program, and our in-process apparel design and merchandising fashion certificate program. Say yes to FCS.